back driver a little bit.
Something's going on with my steering here. What the hell?
Whenever it's ready.
Yep, if my steering's not working.
You get a little roll?
That I ain't turning at all. Something's wrong with the steering.
Will it roll forward and steer?
No, I'm heading that way. I can't turn it left. I got no steering. I thought I'd just run it down it and then turn it after I get the bottom. Yeah, it's turning. Yep. 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 Yeah, I heard it snap.
Got any steering? Nope, there it goes.
Well, there went the seat clamp. Yeah, I'm kind of bound up.
Can you back up? Can you steer?
Yeah, they both just popped off.
It's kind of like stuck hitting.
The box is totally off now.
Should I just go forward or what? Should I just back up again? Up to the top? You want me to back up to the top or? I hope the tire will turn the right way. Well, that's just, the steering's just bound up.
Yeah, I wouldn't move the steering.
Even the way you're pointed, if you can back up.
Yep.
No, that way.
Maybe if we back it up. Well, if you keep coming forward.
I mean, I can. So what do you want?
Can we tweak it while it's
Should I go back up on top?
It's that wall.
Forward? There it goes. Can I roll farther forward, maybe?
Yeah, if you want to get right next to it, get down to the bottom.
I know, but if I get farther down, we could get to a spot we can work on it, I guess. But.
I think we want them tight on that side for comfortable. Or you just pull up. Yeah, well, I can't get my rig. Let's just
It's-
stop there.
It's kind of doing its own thing now. All right. Well,
I
at least
think you
we're
bring the
off.
Chris's Jeep. Is his next? I'll just bring it right here and then do it.
Well, at least I'm